Hi everyone, Ainsworth Edmond here, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And in tonight's video, I'm just pretty excited about this video. All right, as the title says, my decision to go all in with PGI. Right now, let me just be clear with everyone that is watching this video and everyone that has subscribed to my YouTube channel or will see this video. What I've realized that for the persons who have been successful in online, I've been doing online for some time now, for over 5 years, and I've had some amount of success. Which, when I look at others who are online, for persons who is looking on, they are saying I am doing well, but I've had not had that life changing results that I know that I deserve from from doing my online stuff. And what I have come to the realization that what has taught me thus far is not committing to one, to say yes. If you said someone said Tony Robbins said, if you're going to take the island, burn the boats. And have decided that not that PGI is better than any other company, not that it is the best company out there. But what I've realized that for those who have made success, especially in the realm of these passive programs or online in general, they have committed for years. I've been committed to this journey and I've never stopped. But there's a time that they decide that I'm going all in with a product, with a company, whether it be affiliate marketing or any of that. They have just decided that I'm going to give my best for the next 90 days, next 60 days, next 120 days, the next year. And when they have made up their mind for the next 90 days, if you watch Eric Worre in the 90-day game plan, right, he said that the first 30 days is recruiting 20 in 30. And when I look at PGI, what I've done in just roughly, I started on the 18th of July. So 13 days plus today's is 19 days, less than 20 days. I've already earned $190 from this program, right? I've already done that. And my team, so far, I've already enrolled 9 persons in my first 20 days, less than 20 days. And when I realized that from here on, all it needs is commitment, is just steadfastness. I have now committed that I am going all in with PGI. Not that I am going, is the only program that you will see me ever talk about. But for the next 90 days, it is the only thing that you will see me talk about, PGI, right? I am I have now burned the boats on everything else. My 100% focus is PGI because I know that my goal that I have set for the year is to help 100 persons earn 1,000 US. And I know that it is not only possible with PGI, but it will be done with PGI. I have stayed away from calling the program which I'm going to do it with, but I have just made my decision because I'm just going to show you a glimpse of my back office and how my organization is growing like Wi-Fi. As I tell you, this is 19 days. I am building more on my right hand, so my team is getting spill over. This person who is just my first on my right hand, on my left, they have gotten over 800 points remaining because they are receiving spillover, right? On my right hand, right, all these persons are spillover that I'm benefiting from my upline. And if I should go down more, I'm getting more. That's why it sits there so much. All these. not persons that I have signed up. These are persons that are falling in my team without me doing that. So if you check it, these are persons. This is my right hand. See? Keeps going down. Keeps going down. Right? This is on fire. I tell you guys. Right? So PGI, now let me put it this way. I am going to do the conventional network marketing. I'm going to use everything that I've learned over the past 5 years. So a person who joins with me is getting everything that I've learned for the for the past 5 years in building this into a massive team, right? Everyone can make money with PGI. Because the thing about it that I love about PGI is even the persons who do not, let me stop that, are unable to recruit. So even if I did not recruit anyone, I would have still, on my $100 package, I would have still earned so far $18. And I've been in PGI only for 19 days. And I've earned passively without this is funds that those who even did not even recruit anyone would start earning. And the minimum withdrawal from PGI is $20. So the next payday is Monday, and I know that there are many persons who are on my team that will be able to withdraw funds this coming Monday. And I am pretty excited about that. Now, other thing, as I said, I started with a silver package and for $100. And you see, I've almost doubled my my investment in 20 days. Doubled my investment in 20 days. You can do this and so much more. All right. A link will be in the description for PGI. There's much more about the company, but I'm just pretty excited and just saying that I'm going all in. All right. If you are in Jamaica, if you are across the world, I'm a part of the number one team in the US. And if you are in Jamaica, you are going to be a part of the number one team in Jamaica that is pushing PGI. So welcome. I'm welcoming everyone that is joining. My goal, as I said before, is to help 100 persons earn $1,000 per month. Um, and we are going to do it. All right. So looking forward for you joining my team, and let's get this done.